You can sign into this absolutely free app in less than 60 seconds and you can start collecting some free PayPal money again and again on a regular basis. So, if you ever wondered what it feels like to make money on an autopilot, then this video is for you because I will explain you exactly how you can set this up for yourself. And the best part is that it works all over the world for all countries and you just need internet connection to make money even while lying in bed. And don't worry, if you will not have to complete any boring surveys or offers or watch any ads or whatever, it's a way different than that. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. So here's the website that we will be using today to make money on complete autopilot. This is the website which will pay you on an autopilot for absolutely free. But in order to make this website work, you will need to use two more platforms. So I'm gonna show to you two different resources which you will need to combine in order to make money on an autopilot with this app. So, you don't have to complete all those boring surveys and offers that are available on this website because that will take a lot of time and effort and it will not make you as much money. You won't be able to make money on autopilot unless you follow all of the steps from this video. So you can now listen to this first and I'm sure you're going to love it. You can see that this website app has paid over $100 million in cash to their members since the beginning, since they've been online for a while. And you can see that they have been featured on Yahoo, CNN, and the Wall Street Journal, so you know it's a big company to work with. They're working with massive brands and there's definitely a lot of potential on here. Now, if you just come over to this website, you can go through it so you'll be able to see that you can get paid to download apps, watch videos, complete surveys, complete offers, play video games, and more. So that's all of the fun stuff. Yes, you can definitely make some money from that, but it's not gonna make you a lot. It's probably gonna make you only a couple of dollars here and there, and it will require a lot of work, time, and effort. You will have to watch different ads, you would have to go through different boarding in long surveys, and I don't recommend you to do that. If you want to make more money without doing a lot of work, you need to follow all the steps from this video because I wanted to use the unique feature of this website and not a lot of people know about it. But before that, you need to find out how iRezu actually works. And yes, this website's name is iRezu. This is over at the iRezu.com. And I want to show you one more thing before we continue. Since we mentioned that you can get paid through PayPal, yes, you can get paid through PayPal. If PayPal is not available in your country, or you simply don't want to use PayPal for whatever reason, you can select from the biggest brands online like Amazon, and you can get different Amazon gift cards which you can spend money and buy pretty much whatever you want through online. So there are different ways you can cash out and make money from this website. And if you want to find out more about how iRezu works, I highly recommend you watch this short video. It will briefly explain you exactly what they're doing and how the users that normally use this website make money by downloading apps, watching videos, and more. Now, since I want to do something unique in order to make more money on a complete autopilot by doing less of work, what you will simply need to do is you will need to come over to iRezu.com. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and right here where it says earn points, then I want you to click refer friends because they have a really unique referral program which is going to allow you make decent amount of money for each person that you refer. Now don't worry, you will not have to spam your friends and family to sign up to iRezu or whatsoever because I'm gonna give you two different absolutely free tools which you can use to attract the real referrals on a complete autopilot, like basically without lifting a finger. Refer your friends to iRezu and they'll earn an extra 500 points just for accepting your invitation. That means that whenever someone clicks on your referral link, they will get an extra 500 points just for signing up. So that way, they have an incentive to use your referral link to sign up to this website. You're not losing anything. You're not giving them points. iRezu will just reward them for signing up through your referral link. And once that referral earns their first 1,000 points, you will get a referral bonus of 100 to 500 points for absolutely free. Every referral you can invite can earn you this bonus. Invite all your friends and family and watch your points soar. The more points you collect, the more points you can make. And as you can see, one referral can make you over 500 points again and again on a complete autopilot. So, they will be making money by downloading apps, watching videos, and whatnot. And you will basically be making up to 50% for all of their earnings. So, if a person makes $1,000 on this website, you have a chance to get up to $500 for absolutely free just from that one single person. Now, I'm going to show you how you can refer hundreds of them that will likely to use iRezu. I mean, obviously, for normal people that come across this website, it's going to be really appealing to just watch videos and get paid or just download apps and get paid. And it costs them nothing to sign up through your referral link. So this is going to be pretty simple. And what I also like about this is if you scroll a little bit down, you'll be able to see that if you refer only one person, you can make around 500 points for that person. You refer 5 people, you will get paid 2,500 points. 10 people, 5,000 points. 20 people, 10,000 points, and so on and so forth. Just 160 people, you'll get paid 80,000 points, which you can then cash out for real money. So, to get started with iRezu, you just need to click on Start Referring to right here so you can sign up for absolutely free. Now, you can either join with your Facebook account or you'll manually enter your email address, first and last name, create a password, and hit Create Account. And once you sign up, this is what you'll be able to see. This is how it's going to look like once you log into your iRezu account. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. After signing up and after grabbing your referral code, you will need to go over to pexels.com. This is an external, absolutely free website which we will be using. And this is the platform where you can find thousands of different stock images and stock videos, which you can use free of charge without any attribution to the author. Now you're probably thinking to yourself what this has to do with iRezu and how this will make you money on an autopilot. Well, there's exactly what you'll need to do. Just come over to pexels.com, click on videos right here, and go to the search bar, and I want you to search for different stock footage that's related to business, finance, and making money, or even just money. So, let's say for example, I'm just going to search for money. I'm going to go to the search bar, search money. That's going to give me all of those different videos which I can use once again without any attribution to the author. So, let's say for example, I want to use this video right here. I like it and I want to use it. What I simply need to do is click the download button right here, this down pointing arrow, and that's immediately going to be downloaded to my computer. And that's all you have to do for now. Download at least 1 or 2 different videos from pexels.com that are in regard to finance, business, luxury, success, cash, work, or even gold, piggy bank, office, happy. Something like that. Anything that's related to finance, business, and making money because iRezu is all about that. And now, you just need to proceed to the last tab, which is to come over to a website called Imgur. This is over at the imgur.com. This is another kind of like social media platform where people share different videos and these videos get a lot of use because according to SimilarWeb, Imgur is being visited by over 250 million people on a regular monthly basis. Over 250 million people use Imgur every single month. So there's a lot of potential on here, and there's a lot of traffic that we can get from imgur.com. So what you will need to do once you come over to imgur.com is to sign up by clicking on the sign up button right here. Create an absolutely free account by entering your username in the box to create a unique username for your account. Enter your email address in this box, create a password, retype that same password, enter phone number, select the country you are coming from, or you can even just register with your Facebook, Twitter, Apple account, Google account, or even your Yahoo account because it's a lot easier and faster than manually entering those details. Once you sign up for absolutely free, what I want you to do is to click on a new poster right here so you can create your new post on imgur.com. That's going to take you over to this page where you will need to select choose a photo slash video, and you will just simply need to double click on this video which you got from pexels.com. So that stock video which you got from pexels.com that is all about making money, business, and finance. Once it has been uploaded to imgur.com, this is how it's going to look like. You can now preview it if you want there. You will need to give a title to this post, so you can say something along the lines of get paid to watch free videos or get paid to download free apps or whatever you can find on iRazoo, or just create your own title. Think of something unique and put it in the title. Just make sure it's eye-catching, and then in the description, you can just sign up to iRazoo.com for free and use my referral code for an extra 500 free coins, which you can then redeem for real cash or something like that. Just to give them an incentive to sign up through your referral link or to sign up with your referral code. And of course, just paste your referral code over there. Once you're done, I want you to add tags so you can attract the target people. So you can say something along the lines of the make money online or business or finance or whatever is related to making money rather than just typing money. So people that search for those posts can see this like get paid to watch free videos, and they can sign up to iRazoo. Use our referral code, and if they do, they will get paid 500 points extra. And once they sign up, we will be making money on complete autopilot. The more people sign up through your referral link, the more people use your referral code, the more money you'll be making, obviously. And once again, it all goes to complete autopilot. Once you share this to Imgur, over 250 million people can see this. I mean, obviously, not all 200 million people will see it, but you know that there's massive potential on here. And I'd highly recommend you to try out with different photos, with different videos from pexels.com, just to see what attracts more people and what works better. Try out with different call to actions in the title. Try out different call to actions in the description. Try to be creative and try as many options as you can because there's definitely a decent potential on here. Once you're done, just head to community right here so you can publish this to the entire Imgur community. Just click post publicly, and that's it from your side. That's all of your work which you will need to complete for this. Once again, just sign up to iRazoo, grab your referral link, go to pexels.com, grab either some stock photos or some stock videos that is related to business, finance, and making money, and then just come over to imgur.com to publish it with your referral link. It's simple as that. And that's it. Before we end, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Smash the like button and leave a comment down below.